Pause the video now, guys, and have a look. Okay, can you try question 1 and question 2, getting full marks on these questions? Okay, looking at an OCR, okay, June 2022 afternoon paper, A-level maths A, OCR A, okay, H240/03, pure maths and mechanics. Time allowed is going to be 2 hours. Okay, so pause it, try it, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, question number 1. Solve the equation. The modulus of 2x minus 3 equals 9. Now, if it was me, I'm going to sketch it. Okay, so what does y equals 2x minus 3 look like? Well, from GCSE maths, okay, it's going to be a straight line, okay, that looks like this, okay, with one caveat. Any points that are below the x-axis get reflected here in the x-axis, so it's going to look something like this. Okay, it crosses the y-axis at 3 and the x-axis at 3/2. Okay, remember the x-axis is the line y equals 0. Okay, and the y-axis is the line x equals 0. Okay, so check it if you're unsure. Okay, but remember obviously modulus means the positive amount. Okay, so any points below the x-axis get reflected in the x-axis, or the line y equals 0. Okay, y equals 9. It's going to be horizontal. Yeah, looks like that. Okay, roughly. So let's obviously solve it. We're going to have 2x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 9. So plus or minus 9. Okay, so we're going to have 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 9. And then 2x minus 3 is equal to plus 9. Okay, and that will tell me, okay, where the two lines, okay, intersect one another. Okay, so the best advice here for modulus graphs, guys, is to sketch a graph. Okay, sketch it, okay, and then obviously solve it. Okay, so you can obviously see it visually. Okay, add 3 to both sides and divide it by 2, so you're going to get x is minus 3 for that. And then, oh no, I think my keyboard's gone a bit funny again. And then we're going to have add 3 to both sides and obviously divide it by 2. We're going to have x equals 6. Okay, so the answer is going to be x is minus 3 or x is 6. Okay, so that's question 1 done. Okay, what about question 2, guys? Question 2 says give full details of the single transformation that maps the graph y equals x cubed onto the graph, or to the graph y equals x cubed minus 8. There's going to be a translation of 8 units down. Okay, so with vector 0 minus 8. Okay, so it's going to be a translation. Okay, so it will be a translation here. So vector 0 minus 8. Okay. The reason for that is because we're going from y equals f of x. Okay. To y equals f of x. Close the brackets, and then plus or minus h. Okay. So if it's outside the bracket, then it affects the y coordinate. Okay, or the y value. So the vector 0, 8. Okay. What about part B? Sorry, what about part B? Find the expression for f inverse of x. So f to the minus 1 of x. So we let y equal f of x. So y equal x cubed minus 8. We swap x and y around, okay, and we rearrange to make y the subject of the new formula or equation. So we add 8 to both sides and then cube root both sides. So we have the cube root of x plus 8 is equal to y. Lastly, all I do is just replace the y with an f to the minus 1 of x, or f inverse of x. And that, guys, is my expression, okay, for the inverse function of x, okay? So f to the minus 1 of x, okay, or inverse of f. Part C, state how the graphs of y equals f of x and y equals f to the minus 1 of x are related geometrically. So they're actually a reflection in the line y equals x. Okay, the reflection, okay, in the line y equals x. And the reason is because you're actually swapping the domain and range around, for each function, okay? So by doing this, okay, by swapping x and y around, that automatically reflects it in the line y equals x, okay? So a function and its inverse, okay, are always reflected in the line y equals x, okay? So y equals x looks roughly like that, okay? Obviously, it's not perfect, okay? You pass it through the origin, okay? Not very well there, okay? But hopefully you're able to see it, okay? So that is why, okay? So yeah, okay? So a function and its inverse, okay, are always reflected, okay, in the line y equals x, okay? Because yeah, okay, and the domain and range of those two functions are actually swapped, okay? So the domain of my original function of f of x becomes the new range, okay, of my inverse function, and then the old range of f of x becomes my new domain of inverse function of x, okay? So hopefully that makes sense, okay? So yeah, the domain and range are actually swapped around, okay? And that'll be important, yeah, for obviously your A-level exam, okay? But yeah, okay, I hope that makes sense today. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care, all the best. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry, yeah, it turns out, yeah, I'm going to be posting the video actually, I think, after the exams are done. So please don't come at me, yeah, okay? I think I forgot to just put it on take, okay, obviously the night of the exam. Okay, so please do not say, oh, exams are over. I know that. Okay, I think I've just recorded it, and obviously, yeah, after exam period. So I apologize in advance. But well done, yeah, obviously, I'm finishing your exams, and I wish you the best for summer, okay? Bye for now. Take care. All the best.